Just overstanding truth, Rasta vibes eternal, forever in youth. Me walk barefoot on the sacred land. Me feel the pulse of Jah mighty hand. Smoke rise up like a prayer to sky. Meditation deep, me soul fly high. No gold chain, me crown is dread. Roots and culture fi nourish me head. Me no need vanity or Babylon game. Me wear righteousness like holy flame. The light in your soul, it never fade. It shine through shadow, it break the shade. In every ghetto, in a mountain peak, Jah love speak to the strong and meek. Me call to me people, stand up firm. Love each other, we have to learn. Plant the seed, water it true. It grow in love, it grow in you. One love, one light, me sing it loud. Rasta message reach every crowd. From Kingston Lane to Berlin Street, the rhythm carry up on every beat. Ital food, ital breath, keep me far from spiritual death. Me praise me Jah with every bite. Me soul nourished by natural light. Me empress smile, me youth them play. Me chant psalms, fi guide me way. Me born herb, not just fi eye, but fi see Jah clear, fi touch the sky. One love, one light, me chant till dawn. Rasta rise strong from dusk till morn. Me no need war, me bring the balm. Me heart beat cool, me spirit calm. So listen the drum, the nyaya bingi roll. Let it echo deep in your soul. Jah calling I and I to unite. One destiny, one love, one light. Me family strong, me vibe build firm, yeah man. Early morning, me rise before the sun. Birds them chant, Jah work begun. Me sip on rock, me herb a burn. From this meditation, me never turn. Me rap, me roll, me humble deep. Me spirit rise, me mind not sleep. In a silence, me find the word. No preacher needed, me soul is heard. Me breathing slow, me let it go. The smoke rise high, me heart move low. Each draw me take, me go more clear. Me hear Jah voice, whisper near. Meditate and elevate. Free me mind, me shift me state. Ganja leaf, a open gate to higher plane. Jah light so great. Meditate and elevate. No rush, no hate. Me clean me plate. Me humble part, me destiny. Inna the hills gold chain and flashy ride. Me walk barefoot, truth inside. Me chop wood, me boil me tea. Ital living set me free. Me plant me greens, me bless the land. The herb growth all in a jar hand. Me not trust no poison plate. Me energy pure, me spirit straight. Me empress walk beside me stride. She bring the calm, me bring the guide. We chant psalms under moonlight clear. No fear in our weak hemisphere. Meditate and elevate. One draw, feed the stress me face. One chant, feed the world in a ace. Rasta pace, your time no waste. Meditate and elevate. Me nah compete, me nah debate. The herb reveal the deeper truth. From ancient time to Rasta youth. Some smoke fi hype, me smoke fi grace. Each puff a prayer in sacred space. Me not escape, me elevate. Me feel the love, me clean the hate. Ganja plant, not crime, not vice. Is the holy bush fi meditate twice. Soothe me brain, lend me soul. Guide me vision to higher goal. Me light the chalice with respect. Me not bless, just feel neglect. Every leaf a blessing me overstand like stars that guide me through this land. The Babylon world so loud and wild, but me keep calm like humble child. Technology fast, me read him slow. Me take me time, me ledger flow. Me not last in likes and screens. Me read me scrolls, me live me dreams. Me walk the hills, me sing me song. Me know Jah with me all day long. Me family strong, me vibe real firm. Me live it season, learn and turn the fire inside. No rage with pride, it days where peace me soul inside. Meditate and elevate. In a smoke, me levitate. The rhythm play, me contemplate. Me step in love, not in a hate. Meditate and elevate. Ital food. Blaze it up now. This year one for the real ganja crew. Roll it, light it, pass it through. Reggae fire upon the avenue. Lights them low, but vibes them high. Cloud in a room like smoking sky. DJ drop that heavy tune. Crowd explode like afternoon. Me step in at the dance, herb in a palm. Me skank so sweet, me soul feel calm. Bassline heavy like mountain drum. Each beat a heartbeat, boom, boom, boom. Me empress wine, she moves so free. Sweat and smoke in harmony. She pass the split, me take one draw. Me levitate, me reach Jala. Ganja skanking, roll and wine. Me burn that herb, me feel so fine. Bassline rumble, me head a sway. Me dance all night till break of day. Ganja skanking, reggae wave. No chain, no bling, me not slave. Me free me mind, me let it roam. The rhythm guide me spirit home. Select a play, that dub wise cut. Me broke out clean, me no need nut. Just the rhythm and chalice pipe. And the whole place catch the hype. The Ital youth, them inna the zone. Them eyes red like ancient stone. Me see them dance, me see them pray to Jaja through the reggae way. Coconut water cool me throat. Me still high, me still afloat. Every move a next vibration. Me soul alive, me heart salvation. Me light up the wisdom leaf. Herb is the healer fi all me grief. No pill, no drink, me don't chase hype. Me just want vibes and ganja pipe. Rasta live and Rasta chant. Me plant me food, me no depend pan grant. In a dance hall, me find me space to burn the lights and praise the grace. Me empress whisper in a me ear. This ya love we share sincere. Me hold heart tight, the rhythm sweet. Me feel Jah work in every beat. Ganja skanking, blaze it loud. Me lost in rhythm, me proud and proud. Me no watch no clock, me no feel no chain. Me a dance through joy, me a dance through pain. Ganja skanking, roots control. Me mash up floor with heart and soul. Me ride the rhythm, me not pretend. Me reggae soldier till. Na na na. walking through the bush, barefoot again. Me feel the drum beat deep like rain. Me spirit touch the dirt, me know me place. The roots call out in a natural base. Me light a spliff, give thanks for the seed. Ganja a guidance, not just for need. Me nah rush life, me move real slow. The tree grow tall when you let it flow. Me looking at the mirror of the mountain stream. Me see the youth, me see the dream. Me see ancestors in a mango tree, whispering truths only silence see. Youth, roots don't lie, them hold the ground. Through Babylon eyes, me hear just sound. From zinc fence to the hillside high, me hold me head, me spirit fly. Roots don't fake, them know the way. Through trials and dust, them never sway. So me sing, me chant, me blaze and try to live true love before me dies. Before dawn, inhale the steam. Ital pot bubble, sweet roots dream. Me queen Deya, ear in a rap. Reading Psalms, pan coconut lap. Meditation under the Aki shade. Me reason about the life Jah made. Me nah need no goal, no big estate. Me wealth in soul, me love create. Me plant, me heal, me share me fruit. Me chant redeem panaya bingy flute. Me children growing in pure vibration, with ganja smoke and word sound education. From Africa breeze to Jamaica shore, me feel the same beat that open door. Drums call me name in a thunder roll. Me roots not fade, me roots not stole. Me now wear mask, me now play game. Me hold me crown, me claim me name. Every song me sing, me plant a tree, so the next generation grow free. Truths, roots don't lie, them bear the truth. Inna every rasta, inna every youth. Them carry stories Babylon can buy. Them hold the key to just sky high. Roots now bend when storm blow hard. Them rise again in Jah reward. So me blaze, me dance, me stand and cry. Me roots hold firm, me not comply. Ganja healing, Rasta soul. Ya Mon. In a silence me walk alone. Me spirit steady like carved in stone. Dub echo lead me way. Me not stray, me chant all day. Smoke rise from me chalice bowl. Eternal fire purify me soul. No need for sword, me carry sound. Me fight them system underground. Me now wear no crown or chain. Me wear vibration fi heal the pain. Every bass line like river flow, and every word plant seed fi grow. I'm a dub spirit warrior, marching with the bass, drum and chant. Me footstep grace, no blood, no war, just love me bring. Meditation deep, me soul I sing. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and true, riding rhythm like winds that blew. Me herbs, me sound, me livity. This roots man journey I set I free.
Me wake up early, sunrise light. Give thanks for the breath, the gift of sight. Me sip Ital tea, me chant and pray. Me meditate and clear me way. Me nah get trapped in Babylon scroll. Me heart connect to higher goal. Each draw a reminder, each beat a flame. Each note a whisper of Jah name. Sound system is my temple now, where warriors gather and take a vow to fight with love, to chant with peace and make the chains of hate release.
I'm a dub spirit warrior, marching with the bass, drum and chant, me footstep grace. No blood, no war, just love me bring. Meditation deep, me soul I sing. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and true, riding rhythm like winds that blew. Me herbs, me sound, me liberty. This roots man journey I set, I floating in a echo chamber. Dub delay like thunder on my spirit, I my mind stay humble. My thoughts in rhythm never stumble. I run for fame or gold, me run for the truth, for never get sold. Jah love is the key and code, so me chanting a ancient. I'm a dub spirit warrior, barefoot on the ground. Sage smoke rise with healing sound. No ego, no chains, me walk in grace. I hold the drum like sacred space. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and wise. Smoke in my lungs, stars in my eyes. One drop beat and a lion roar. Me chant till them Babylon walls no more. Me ancestors whisper in a the breeze. Me feel them walk through sacred trees. Every heartbeat sing to drum. Me know exactly where me from. Roots man step, no fear, no stress. Me spirit armored in righteousness. Rhythm is me sword, dub is me shield. And in a the dance, me battlefield. Me don't need fame or chat or crown. Me need a spliff and a bassline sound. Me need connection soul to soul. And reggae music fi keep I whole.
No, 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 ganja is just medicine. Sun a rise pon the mountain crest. Birds a sing, ja time fi rest. Me sit pon stone, chalice in hand. Inhale the breath of Zion land. Me not check me phone, me check me soul. Each puff of herb make me feel whole. Me give thanks for life, for food, for air. Me reason with Jah in silent prayer. The dew on grass reflect Jah light. Me close me eyes, everything feel right. No worry, no war, no system scheme. Just roots man in a the sacred dream. Roots man meditation in a the hills. Ganja smoke and peaceful drills. No nice, no hype, just inner truth. Chanting down Babylon from me youth. Me heart a drum, me soul a flame. Every draw call Jah name. Roots man live, slow live wise. Reasoning under African skies. Me reason with Jah through leaf and breeze. Through bamboo talk and dancing trees. Me say Jah how fi guide me feet. Just say move with love, your path complete. No preacher, no pope, just earth and sound. Me find the message where truth is found. Ganja open me third eye door. Me sight things me never see before. Me see people chase illusion. Living fast but losing fusion. Me tell them slow down, feel the beat. Reggae I teach you how to eat, how to speak. Roots man now hustle, roots man grow. We plant seeds and let Jah flow. In a silence we hear the truth. In a herb we find real proof. Meditation a roots man code. It a the map for life road. Nah need gold nor vanity. Jah give we peace and clarity. Roots man meditation deep and slow. Fire inside but calm like flow. We not rage, we overstand. We trod this earth with gentle hand. One spliff, one chant, one rhythm line. And roots man feel the grand design. Inna me mind, inna me space. Me meet Jah face to face. Me hear the voice of ancient king. Him say, youth listen to everything. Nature speak if you're quiet still. Ganja guide you with holy will. Me sip me bush tea, me me song. Me life feel rich, me heart feel strong. No rush, no race, me nah compete. Me walk, ja pace, me nah repeat. This life no about likes or fame. It's about fire inna your flame. So me share me herbs, me share me light. One love, one aim, one righteous fight. So when the morning light touch your face, find a quiet little sacred place. Light the chalice, give thanks and praise for another chance, for brighter days. Roots man meditation, can't go wrong. It's the heartbeat in a reggae song. So come sit, come reason, come feel the flow. Come make the Babylon shadow go. In every breath, in every sound, roots man wisdom always found.
Na na na. Split with coconut, water ya man. Me rise with the sun, face the east. Start the day with herbal feast. Coconut water, mango sweet. Ground food keep me on me feet. Me grind me herb, give Jah praise. Live Ital ways for Lenten days. No processed lies, no Babylon trap. Me boil me soup in clay pot lap. Roots food, roots mood. Ital bless me attitude. Me eat from ground, me feel so high. Me soul clean, me spirit fly. Me no need pill, me sip me brew. Ginger, turmeric and leaf them too. Papaya cleanse, time for breath. Ital keep me far from death. Me empress cook with sacred hand. Each bite a blessing from Jalan. The food she serve come straight from heart. A healing art, a holy part. Me fire blaze, no microwave. Me stew bubble pan vibe so brave. Me garden flourish, me hand dig deep. Ital way no come cheap. Me plate a prayer, me bowl a hymn. Ital living strong within. No toxins here, no lying dish. Me spirit fed, me soul feel rich. Roots food, roots mood. Me belly full, me heart feel good. Me attitude pure, me thoughts refined. Me live Ital and stay aligned. Me call the youth, show them how. Teach them, plant them, reap right now. No chip bag thing, no soda fake. Ital teach them what's at stake. Me give them stew, me spread your word. Me voice uplift just like a bird. Me no preach loud, me action show. Ital way the youth them grow. Roots food, roots mood. From yard to world, Ital food. Me chant, me cook, me live it true. Ital Steppa true and true. So if you're lost, try plant a tree. Let nature guide you peacefully. The root no truth, the food no grace. Ital life a sacred space.
Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, yeah, man.
Yeah, yeah.
My spirit born in the island breeze, where the coconuts sway and the mind find ease. Barefoot and sand, me walk like dream. With chalice lit, me sip from stream. Me nah need clock, the sun tell time. Me heart beat slow in a natural rhyme. Me roll me herbs in banana leaf. Smoke rise high, carry away grief. Every breath me take is a gift from Jah. Every little wave a mystic bar. Me sit pan rock, watch fish them play. Give
thanks for the blessing of today. Island spirit calling me home, where the water sing and me soul just roam. No worry, no chain, no fight to fight, just ganja and love under moonlight. Me nah run, me nah hide, me just float and ja tight, with roots so deep and vibes so high. Island spirit, me never say goodbye. Me grow me weed in a hilltop sun, blessed by rain and chant them run. Me share it round, me brethren smile. Inna the smoke, me feel just style. Me drum beat echo through bamboo trees. Me chant with birds, me dance with bees. Me queen bring fruit, me sing me song. Me days feel short, but the vibe stay long. Me no need no app, fi feel me best. Me find meditation pon the west. Me puff, me think, me rise in flight. Island spirit guide me light. Aye. Me sip and rock at the end of day. Watch the sunset melt worries away. Me close me eyes, me see your face. In a sea breeze, me find me place. Me not drift far, me not drift fast. Just steady boat in a sea so vast. With every ripple, me get more clear. Me spirit strong, me mind draw near. Oh. Island spirit calling again, in a mango wind, in a healing rain. Me walk with peace, me step in time. Me heart full up with Jah design. Me no need city, me no need gold. Me treasure lie where stories told, with ganja high and conscience pure. Me soul secured, me love endure. Me go to river, wash me dread. Me wash me pain, me shake the dead. Me reason deep, with roots man wise. Him say Rasta live where truth never dies. Me take them words, me plant them seed. Me live by love, not Babylon greed. Me build me hut, me carve me name. In a wooden song, me claim me flame. Me see me youth run wild and free. Them laugh loud in the almond tree. Me queen smile wide, me cup overflow. Island spirit, this all me know. So when me leave in peace. Me soul well fed, me mind at ease. Me travel world, me hear many sound, but me roots in a island ground. So bless up life.
Oi, 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 instant pushing at the cocos, bang ya man.
Me sit on the stone in a morning light. The world still dark, but me soul shine bright. Me close me eyes, me feel the breeze. Me heart beat slow, me spirit at ease. Me nah fight shadow, me build in a flame. Me call your name, me no look for fame. Me listen to the trees, them sway and bend. Each leaf a prayer, each breath me friend. Me burn a spliff, but me mind stay clean. It's meditation, not just a scene. Me search within, me find me path. Like lion roar, me escape the rat. Lion heart stand strong and still, even when the world go cold and ill. Lion heart chant through the storm. Peace in a soul, wisdom transform. Lion heart roar soft and deep. In a love and roots, me soul keep. Me travel far, but me never move. Is in a me mind, me start to groove. Each thought a rhythm, each breath a key. Unlocking truths that just show me. Me see me fear, but me no run. Me face it like the rising sun. Me see desire, me let it go. 'cause true freedom come from the flow. Me sip me tea, herbs steep in cup. Wisdom in a leaves when the steam rise up. Me feel connected to all creation, a part of the one, no separation. The lion roar, quiet but fierce, cut through lies, the veil it pierce. Me nah shout, me just breathe. In a silence, me sow the seed. Roots dig deep, so rise high like smoke curl up into just sky. Me no need no validation, me walk with I own vibration. Lion heart, hold steady ground, even when the chaos sound. Lion heart, burn slow and true, with herb and chant, me life renew. Lion heart, silent fire, fuel for me soul, lift me higher. Me no teach with loud voice, me teach true presence, true choice. Me no chase what the world call gold, me chant for warmth when the nights get cold. Me build strength from within the eye, me see me journey through Jah eye. Me walk with me ancestors close, them tell me Rasta do the most. Me reason with me brethren, talk truth in a evening wind. We share food, share smoke, share laugh. Half a plate better than none on pot. So if you see me quiet, don't mistake. Me building peace that none can shake. Me lion heart beat strong and wide, guided by Jah, me nah need fi hide. Lion heart meditation me keep, even when the mountain steep. For me, every moment sacred is me living truth, me living bliss.
Ay, ay, ay. Ganja, ganja, smoke with Rasta, Ya Mon.
Sunrise come pa me veranda, steam chalice bubble, no drama. Me open eye, me give thanks for life. Me cut the fruit with me Ital knife. Me no need nothing fancy, just a little breeze. Some roots in a cup and a spliff for ease. Me check the garden, me plants them dance. Blessings drop like jar romance. Me queen cook callaloo with yam. Me youth them laugh, me heart feel calm. Every little thing a part of Jah sign. So me chant this line every time. Bless up every time when the sun come through. Bless up every time when the sky turn blue. Bless up the herb and the love we grow. Bless up Jah light and the peace we know. No worry in a mind, no shadow and soul. Me walk with Jah, me feel all. So me dance, me sing, me hold the line and me say bless up every time. Me burn a spliff under the guava tree. The smoke rise like a prayer for free. Me reason with elders, learn them where. Them teach me how to live each day. Nah rush no things, me move like breeze. Life a lesson, you just have to seize. Me wear me dread like a crown divine. Me vibe too clean, feed Babylon sign. Inna me hut, me read some just scroll. Me heart feel warm, me spirit all. Me nah chase likes, me chase peace. Inna roots and rhythm, me find release. Me float pan sea like a coconut shell. The current guide me like Rasta spell. Me meditate to the wave them roll. Me bless each breath, me free me soul. The island breeze whisper sweet word. Me hear it clear like a sacred bird. Me see Jah works in the coral reef. In a every petal, in a every leaf. Bless up every time in a moonlight glow.
Bless up the vibes when the ganja flow. Bless up the rhythm, bless up the sound. Bless up the people them just surround. Me no need riches, me no want fame. Me just want peace in a Jah name. So me smile, me reason, me write this rhyme, and me chant bless up every time. Naya bingy fire burn at night. Me feel the drumming deep in a sight. Me brethren chant in a sacred code. Me soul explode in a love overload. Me link with elders from Senton Hills. Them tell me about faith and natural skills. Me roll up the herbs with reverence eye. Every puff me take reach just sky. Me nah fight no war. Me bring one vibe. Me build me life on the love tribe. Me journey long but me step strong. And my spirit know where me belong. So me hold me youth, me kiss me queen. Me give thanks for everything in between. Me light the fire, me bless the space. Me live me life in a Rasta grace. From mountain top to ocean line. Me say it loud, me make it mine. Me nah go wait for no perfect sign. Me just give thanks, bless up every time.
Zion echoes. Zion echoes. Hey. Me walk the freedom road, me eyes wide open. Me feel the power, me heart unbroken. The struggles of life, me carry them with pride. But me never give up, me always a stride. The chains them a fall, the barriers break. Me rise for the people, for the steps me take. Me feel the energy, me feel the strength. Me walk in a Jah light, me go the length. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Me free in me soul, me free in me mind. Me leave the struggles behind. The road me walk it no easy fi travel, but me know me purpose, me ready fi battle. Me never fear the storm, me weather the rain. Me know after the struggle me will feel the gain. Me fight for the freedom of the hearts and the soul. Me raise the banner of peace, me rock the roll. The fire of me spirit, the light in my chest. Me live for the people, me do me best. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Me free in me soul, me free in me mind. Me leave the struggles behind. From the mountains to the sea, me free like the breeze. Me rise with the power, me move with ease. The road is long but me never tire. Me driven by the force, me heart full of fire. Me trust the journey, me trust the plan. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me clan. Through the struggle, me find me way. Me walk the freedom road, me see the day. Me dreams are the future, me dreams are the light. Me know me vision clear, me ready for the fight. Me heart full of hope, me soul full of peace. Me rise every day, me never cease. The freedom me seek it deep in me heart. Me follow the truth, me play me part. From the shackles of the past, me break the chain. Me free in a Jah, me feel the gain. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way.
Ay, ay, ay. Deep meditation with Rasta. Ya Mon. brethren, fire ablaze, drum them a beat, night full of praise. Under the stars, we hold it tight. One draw make the spirit light. Me say it no matter where you from, Africa, Europe or Vietnam. One draw link with me tell you true. Inna this moment me feel brand new. We no talk about stress or pain, just rhythm, ganja and jarrain. Me pass the chalice, you pass the smile. Inna the circle, life makes sense a while. One drop, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One drop, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. Smoke rise like prayer to sky, and me feel just spirit nearby. Me sister laugh, me brother sing. It's a real life roots man reasoning. You no need millions or gold chain. Real riches come from healing pain. We not boast, we share what we grow. Inna the ground, the truth still flow. One rhythm, one spliff, one vibe. We dance away, Babylon tribe. Me no need no throne or fame. One draw connect, we all the same. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. So chant one time for the youth, them last 2 times for the love that pay no cost. 3 times for the roots man, wait 4 times for live another day. Me not live for hype nor show, me live for the people, the trees where grow. Every draw is a gift from Jah, so we press for the herbs, me star. One draw, one love, bless the nation. Reggae music, herb meditation. Unity at the highest grade, come together. No man afraid, one draw, one chant, one reason deep. No secrets, no lies we keep. Me mother say, child live clean and true. Me father say, praise Jah in all you do. Me elder say, smoke with respect. So me light up the herb with full intellect. Me no abuse, me use fi heal. Fi balance art and make me feel. Me sip me roots tonic, me dance and sing. One draw at the gateway fi everything. So come your friend, me open me gate. No time fi hate, no time fi wait. The fire blaze, the rhythm roll, and ganja unite the broken soul. Under moonlight we chant our way to Zion Hills where peace has stay.
Aye, the false Babylon. System lying to us. Break the false system, ya man. Me rise up with the sun pan me face. Birds them a sing, me heart full of grace. Me stretch out me arms to the sky. Give thanks for life and the most high. Me boil me water, me herbs are steep. Sipping wisdom while the world still sleep. Ital food pan me plate real clean. No chemicals, me keep it green. Me roll me spliff with mindful hand. It's not for escape but overstand. Every leaf a gift from the earth. Use with love, it reveal I worth. Urban harmony guide me soul in a natural liberty. Me feel whole, no stress, no worry. Me chant all day with drum and fire. Me clear me way. Urban harmony, one with the land. Roots and rhythm, me not jahan. Me no rush, me move with flow. Like the breeze through mountain and meadow. Me life no governed by the clock. Me listen to the silence when me walk. Me see the children laugh and play. Them nah no stress from Babylon way. Me protect them with knowledge and love. Guide them like star from above. Me sit in a circle, elders nearby. Them tell stories of struggle and why, and still them smile, them wisdom shine. Me give thanks for each sacred sign. Balance is the key, miss again. Not too much pleasure, not too much pain. Herb a teacher, not a toy. For awakened soul, not just for joy. Me burn it slow with chant and beat. Barefoot pan the sand, no concrete. Every draw come with reflection. Me build up high in a connection. Herb and harmony sing the tune under the sun or the silver moon. Meditation are the guide me know. Like river run, me spirit flow. Herb and harmony, it make me high, but still me grounded like mountain high. Me see Babylon rush with speed, but them forget about what we need. Not more screens or fake sensation. We need more groundation, meditation. Me nah hate, me just elevate. Me show a better way, me nah debate. True music and herbs me teach. A positive life me always preach. Me sing for the farmer, growing greens. Me chant for the youth, them inner dreams. Me light for the elder, holding firm. For every soul who are seek for learn. Me give thanks for me breath and me seed. For every moment me truly need. Me chant in a harmony wide and free. Herb in me and Jah within me. Aye, that's the because. Please I did check your bag. Early morning barefoot on the land. Me feel the dew cool in me hand. No noise, just leaves a whisper soft. Jah presence I me spirit lift off. Me smoke a spliff fi bless the way. Me mind get clear, me heart obey. Me no need no gold, no diamond ring. Just the breeze and birds that sing. Roots in the wind, me soul fly free. Rasta live slow, live consciously. From the hills to the sea, we chant unity. Blaze one down for tranquility. Roots in the wind, me eyes see truth. Balance the life from me early youth. Me trod with peace, me hold no grudge. Me spirit float like incense smudge.
Me eat ital, me soul stay clean. No poison in a me daily routine. Me cook with herbs, me drink me tea. Me body temple for the most IG. Me no live fast like modern race. Me take me time and overstand the grace. Me plant me food, me bless me ground. Every little thing got sacred sound.
Blow mine a whisper, stay humble Rasta. Fire say, keep the flame for Jah. Let it flow, me brethren.
Get the earth and mind, everything return. In the wind, me soul fly high. Smoke arise in a blue-green sky. Meditation take me far from stress. Me live in love, me chant fi bless. Roots in the wind, me nah lose way. Me hold Jah word like light each day. Me feel the beat in every tree. The art of Rasta, wild and free. Me sweep me yard, me wash me bowl. Me give thanks in a every role. Me no complain about what me lack. Me trust the path, me no look back. Me reason deep with me brethren crew. Talk about the stars and sky so blue. We light one up fi overstand. Oh, we connect from Jah own hand. Me no need no big church wall. Me temple is the river call. Me chant me psalm in breeze and flames. Me heart align with Jah true name. Me dance pan earth, me sing with
fig tree. Me find myself in simplicity. No social scroll, no media lie. Just mountain high and open sky. Roots in the wind, me journey long. But every step, me move with song. No stress can hold me down again. Me ride the rhythm of sun and rain. Roots in the wind, and me give thanks. For the love, for the life, for the herbal plants. Me keep it real in a Babylon spin. Still me grow strong from roots within. Give me light one more. Watch me spirit soar. That life a flow. Rasta know.
Me wake up each day, me feel the rise. No fear in Zion, me see the skies. The sun a shine, me see the truth. Jah guide me steps, me guide the youth. The battle real, but we have the strength. Me face the pressure, me got the length. No fear in Zion, me no run away. Me rise in the morning, me praise the day. Them try to spread the fear, but me stand tall. We walk in the light, me feel the call. No matter the storm, no matter the strife, me know the truth, me know my life. No fear in Zion, we stand so strong. We walk in the truth, we sing the song. No fear in Zion, we rise above. We walk by faith, me know the love. No fear in Zion, me feel the peace. Jah guide my steps, me find the release. We rise in the light, we rise in the truth. No fear in Zion, we free the youth. The world are full of struggles and pain, but me know my steps can't be in vain. No fear in Zion, we keep the pace. Me walk with Jah, me find my grace. Them try to stop the movement, the progress, but me rise above the pressure, the stress. Me hear the drums, me hear the sound. No fear in Zion, we hold the ground. Me chant for the youth, me chant for the truth. We rise above the lies, the wicked in the boot. We stand together, no divide, no fear. No fear in Zion, Jah's light is near. No fear in Zion, we stand so strong. We walk in the truth, we sing the song. No fear in Zion, we rise above. We walk by faith, me know the love. No fear in Zion, me feel the peace. Jah guide my steps, me find the release. We rise in the light, we rise in the truth. No fear in Zion, we free the youth. Me see the vision, me see the light. No fear in Zion, me stand in the fight. Me rise above the dark and the pain. Me walk in the truth, me break the chain. Me chant for the people, for the future so bright. We rise above the wrong, we find the right. The struggle real, but Jah's light lead the way. No fear in Zion, we live for the day. Me walk for the people, for the land, for the soul. We rise together, we make the goal. No fear in Zion, we free the mind. We walk in the truth, we leave the lies behind. Me tell the youth, it's time for rise. Me tell the people, no compromise. We step in the
Zion echoes, Jah call for me people, rise and stand. Babylon can't hold Rasta man's hand. The mountain high, the drum them beat. Freedom in a Zion, the journey sweet. Rebel spirit rise, Jah love shine through. The fire light bright in all we do. Selassie I guide me, the path is new. Rebel soul standing, Babylon we slew. Me step through the jungle where the herb them grow. Purple haze pon me lips, make the meditation flow. Them label me outlaw, but me can't be tamed. The truth in Jah word, me can't refrain. Each drum beat echo through the hills tonight. We call out Jah people to stand and fight. Babylon crumble, them tower fall low, but Zion rise up, the rebel love show. Me heart beats steady. steady like a lion's roar. The rebel inside find Jah's open door. The herb blaze bright, the meditation pure. Zion we seek, Jah love ensure. Rebel spirit rise, Jah love shine true. The firelight bright in all we do. Selassie I guide me, the path is new. Rebel soul standing, Babylon we slew. Rebel spirit rise, Jah love shine true. The firelight bright in all we do. Selassie I guide me, the path is new. Rebel soul standing, Babylon we slew. The system fight hard, but Jah harder still. Them can't take the herb or the lion's will. With the chalice in hand and the roots so strong, the battlefield echo with Zion's song. Me brethren them chant, the fire blaze high. Rasta now bow till the wicked die. The ganja make the warriors stay awake. Through Jah guidance the darkness break. Rebel spirit carry me through Jah gate. The battle not done, but me spirit not late. The stars are guide, the drum beat call. In a Jah Zion, Rasta love fe all. Zion roots. Blue baby na me pocket. The journey long, but me spirit strong. Yeah, walk on the path where my soul belong. The mountain steep, but Jah make we climb. Every step we take, we transcend time. World of chaos, but me heart find peace. In a Zion love, the blessing increase. We chant the Psalms, let the power release. Feed the youth, them lost, me say hope fi cease. The trials them come, me face them bold. The stories of the ancients where Jah unfold. We stand as one, the love take hold. Forward to Zion, me heart not cold. Part to Zion we rise and go. Jah light a guide me through high and low. We not give up though the journey slow. In at the end the truth we know. Part to Zion the promise true. Every heart united, me say me and you. The gates of love Jah bring we through. A brighter tomorrow for the chosen few. Them try distract we with gold and chain, but the spirit not self in material gain. The storm a come, but me stand in a rain. Me see the lesson in a every pain. The elders teach, we a carry the flame. Me chant the message, me call them name. The youth fi know this nah no game. Zion at the goal, we proclaim. The narrow path not easy fi tread. We lean pon Jah for the daily bread. Every tear we fall, Jah wisdom spread. We journey fi Zion, the life ahead. We say one step closer, every prayer me chant. For the love of Jah, we not confront. The heights of Zion, the soul it wants. We leave the darkness, the light we flaunt. The hills may rise, the valleys deep, but Jah promise stand, it always keep. We walk in on the faith, we climb and leap. The vision of Zion, we soul fi reap. Back to Zion, we rise and go. Jah light a guide me through high and low. We not give up, though the journey slow. In at the end, the truth we know. Back to Zion, the promise true. Every heart united, me say me and you. The gates of love, Jah bring we through. A brighter tomorrow for the chosen few. Me hear the cry
rise from the ghetto youth. Them lost and searching for the higher truth. The world deceive them, the system mute, but your voice echo in every root.
The roots of Zion, them grow so strong. Melody of freedom, I carry we along. From the mountains high to the valleys low. Shall I tie the compass, show we where we go. In the heart of the jungle where the river run deep, wisdom flow like the ocean, secrets it keep. Lion roar, spirit champ on the breeze. Connection to Jah, make the soul feel at ease. Me say unity are the key, fi open the gate. Guided by the stars, love dictate me fate. We rise like the sun, make the darkness fade. Under this blessed tree shade, fi be made. Oh, roots of Zion, them grow so strong. Melody of freedom, I carry we along. From the mountains high to the valleys low. Jah light at the compass, show we where we go. Them a try to silence the drum, but it's still a beat. Rebel soul in the rhythm, sound so sweet. Me ancestors whisper from the sacred ground, telling me fi keep the fire burning all around. Them teach me love no partial, every man a kin. No matter the color, it's what within. So me chant the truth, let the people unite. Under Jah guidance we shine the light. Oh, roots of Zion, them grow so strong. Melody of freedom, I carry we along. From the mountains high to the valleys low. Jah light at the compass, show we where we go. Ya Mon, stand firm on the rock of ages. Turn the pages, wisdom must speak the sages. Forward we go, now look back again. Healing the land with the power of pen. True vibes resonate through the land and sea. Spirits of the ancestors always guide me. One people, one aim, one destiny. Jah kingdom reign in harmony. Them say Babylon system strong, but me no fear. Truth sharper than sword, it cut through the ear. The warriors rise standing for righteousness. Jah over the armor, me shield in distress. We plant the seed for the future generation. Roots fi grow strong in every nation. Wisdom a river that never run dry. The spirit live on, it never can die. Oh, roots of Zion, them grow so strong. Melody of freedom, I carry we along. From the mountains high to the valleys low. Jah light